In this video, I'm going to show you 3 advanced technique of DIY tips and tricks for your home requirements. Removing a bearing using a bearing puller is often seen as the best and most reliable way to remove a bearing from a shaft. A bearing opening puller is fabricated from a simple circular pipe and a nut bolt by using following operations, i.e. cutting, welding, boring and grinding. To enhance your safety, a safety shield is necessary for a grinder to cut or grind a metal or wood piece during processing. A circular pipe is converted into a nut bolt opening and closing chuck by involving some simple mechanical operations, for example cutting, boring and welding, etc.